Example number 6. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Note that we stop the division process when either the remainder is 0 or its degree is less than the degree of the divisor. So here the quotient is 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. Also here you can see you can just divide, here it is by 2x, then this term will come, and again you by minus 1 you will get the remainder is 3. So here it is, remainder is 3. So in bracket 2x minus 1 into in bracket x plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. That is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 into in bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3. Therefore dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us now extend this process to divide a polynomial by a quadratic polynomial. Example number 7. It is page number of 34. So divide the 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Here the solution is you will get that after the long division method, the quotient will be 3x minus 5 and the remainder is 9x plus 10. So solution is there. We first arrange the terms of the dividend and the divisor in the descending order of their degrees. Recall the arranging the terms in this order is called writing the polynomial in standard form. In this example, the dividend is already in standard form and the divisor in standard form is 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Step 1. To obtain the first term of the question, divide the highest degree term of the dividend, that is the 3x cube, by the highest degree terms of the divisor, that is the x square. Thus this is the 3x. Then carry out the division process. What remains is minus 5x square minus x plus 5. Step 2. Now to obtain the second term of the question, divide the highest degree term of the new dividend, that is the minus 5x square, by the highest degree term of the divisor, that is x square. This gives minus 5. Again carry out the division process with minus 5x square minus x plus 5. Step number 3. What remains is 9x plus 10. Now the degree of 9x plus 10 is less than the degree of the divisor x square plus 2x plus 1. So we cannot continue the division any further. So the quotient is 3x minus 5 and the remainder is 9x plus 10. Also x square plus 2x plus 1 in bracket all into in bracket 3x minus 5 plus in bracket 9x plus 10 is equal to, finally it is the 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Here again we see that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What we are applying here is an algorithm which is similar to Euclid's division algorithm that you studied in chapter 1. If px and gx are any two polynomials with gx is equal to not 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is less than the degree of gx. Now example number 8. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify the division algorithm. Solution. Note that the given polynomial are not in the standard form. To carry out division, we first write both the dividend and the divisor in descending order of their degrees. So dividend is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 and the divisor is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. And after the completion of long division method, you will get the remainder as a 3 and the quotient as x minus 2. We stop here since the degree that is 3 is equal to 0 and it is a less than 2, the degree of minus x square plus x minus 1. So quotient is equal to x minus 2 and the remainder is equal to 3. Now divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. In this way the division algorithm is verified. Example number 9. Find all the zeros of 2 to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are minus 2 and uh, uh, root under 2 and the minus root under 2. See, you know that the 2 its root is given, so you can get the polynomial by the formula x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here alpha is equal to root 2 and the beta is equal to minus root 2. That means in bracket x minus root 2 and in bracket x plus root 2, both the products becomes the x square minus 2. Now you have to divide the 2x 4 to 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus minus 2 by x minus 2, and finally the remainder is 0. So the quotient is 2x square minus 3x minus 1. First term of quotient is 2x square, second term of quotient is minus 3x, and the third term of quotient is 1. So you can factorize by the uh, uh, factorization method. So 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6 is minus 2 is equal to x square minus 2 into 2x square minus 3x minus 1. By the splitting method, minus 3x we factorize 2x square minus 3x plus 1 as 2x minus 1 and the x minus 1. So its zeros are given by x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1. Therefore the zeros of the given polynomial are root 2, minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. Now exercise 2.3, some questions are there, you have to solve all the questions. Exercise 2.4 is optional. These exercise which is optional one are not from the examination point of view. 2.5 is the summary. You have to remember all the points given here 1 to 7, and by this we have the finished this chapter number 2. We will meet the next topic will be then chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable, and we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you.